What is up, everyone? It's your Tom Brady of the Bollinger Bands. Broader markets still making all-time highs. Last review I had was on the 18th of October. I mentioned stay bullish. That was here. Since then, we've gone up a paltry and measly 4% on SPY. Looking good. Trend looks good. Some phenomenal opportunities to play. Some bear candles above the 10 EMA, and I'm just loving the trend. So buy the dip. It's still in full force. Here's the Qs. And the Qs, same exact thing. The IWM, which is the Russell 2000, does appear that it's broken out, my friends, of its multi-month distribution phase. Trend is still bullish, ladies and gentlemen. Let's enjoy the ride up. Tesla creating the largest market expansion of any company in history regarding the increase of market cap addition over the 12 days since October 15th. I think it was over $100 billion of market cap got added to Tesla in just the last 12 days. Absolutely asinine. Incredible move, amazing trend. Buy the dip. This thing will hit 2,000 before you know it. It won't be the end of this year, I don't think, but certainly by the end of next year. Buy pullbacks, trend is bullish. And to all the Tesla haters, I told you so. Fuel cell, FCEL. Well, this thing did have an absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous pullback. Last I analyzed it was on the 18th of October. In fact, amazing volume on two separate occasions. Please buy a dip on fuel cell and trade up into 11 because this one will be going higher in the next few days or weeks. If that's not a clear analysis, I don't know what is. Pull back to the 100, obvious spot to go long. Buy there, and right now you're still making some good money on fuel cell. Congratulations. TDOC up 4.7% today. Beautiful earnings candle, good close above the magical 100 simple moving average. We retested the 100, which I bought some more shares, and now we have a very strong bullish candle on TDOC. I know a lot of people hate some TDOC right now, but if you really, really think about it, you probably have been bag holding since March, and that's only about 7 months. AKA, I've bag held longer on other companies before and ended up winning. I do have almost 300 shares of TDOC. I've been adding and accumulating. My overall cost basis right now is about 162. So almost getting back to profitable on TDOC. I really do like the candle today and interested to see it go higher. Square, I do have some shares of Square. I have a covered call expiring next week at 280. I'm going to hold this over earnings, and one of two things happens on Square. If it gaps down below the 200 simple moving average, I will day trade some puts, let it trade down into 230 where I will buy some more shares. If it gaps up on earnings, the only way it's going to just absolutely run like the wind if it doesn't open above 273. Otherwise, a small gap up, it'll probably fade back down, chop around, do its thing. I'll sell some more calls and just wait it out and be patient. Cash App is doing great. Square looks good. Potential inverted head and shoulders. Also, deliriously delightful double bottom right there. Nice little retest of the neckline. Intrigued to see what happens on Square. I am in as a longer term position, but I have no problem getting called away for a shorter term win. Twilio. Shout out to my boy Chad King and my man, Craig Levine, playing the exhaustion bear volume down here on October 28th with decent earnings. This one trade down into a support. I didn't get my share filled, unfortunately, at 270.71, which is just too bad. However, today's move was absolutely sensational. Really, really good compression. You can feel this compression. If you've studied any of my candlestick charts at any point in time, you can just look at this and know it's about to move. Twilio, beautiful move today. Exceptional, exceptional work. I love it. Facebook, also bouncing off of this strong bear candle. I did buy some shares as it retested all that bear volume. Let's face it, it's Facebook. It's going to go higher from here. It's pulled down to the 200 before. I don't know exactly what it did last time it pulled down to the 200 and consolidated for a few weeks, but if I can just guess, if I'm taking a stab in the dark, it did okay. So anyway, buy low, sell high. Let's see what happens on Meta Platforms, aka Facebook. Team from around the world, I love you all so much. Throw in some stocks in the comment section. What do you want me to review? And maybe sometime in November, you'll get a stock review with those tickers on them. Also, be long cryptos. All right, guys, you rock. Goodbye.